just finished cutting my yard, my backyard with the Kobalt 80v battery operated lawnmower. And this yard hadn't been cut in 3 weeks and the grass was really high. As you can see, finished. You could tell that the grass was high because you could see all the bales of hay out here. Man, this lawnmower is unbelievable. I'm a country boy and I was kind of skeptical of using a battery operated lawnmower, but it did a great job. You can see I got a pretty huge backyard and I cut all of this with one battery, so the battery didn't even go out. As you can see, I'm gonna have to probably get a rake or something and rake some of this grass up. It's heavy and this lawn was very thick and it's unbelievable. I couldn't believe it would cut through all of this with one battery. I thought I would have to change the battery out, but I didn't. And if you would like to purchase one of these lawnmowers, just look in the description below and there's a link. And I think it's probably one of the best investments I done made. I don't need to use no oil or gas. You just hit the button and start this thing. I'm gonna show you how much battery life I got left after cutting this backyard. So if you push this button, you see I still got 2 bars. So I'm gonna charge it up maybe a couple hours when I get ready to cut again, probably next week. I'm gonna click it again. You see, still got battery life. So if I want to start it, just hit this button. Start it right up. Really quiet. So you can mow early in the morning while your neighbors are asleep. Just hit this button. I'm about to do this. Let it loose, it stops. So I'm very pleased with this lawnmower. So once I rake all this up and I cut it every week and get my grass back right, as the lawn guy was using, he kind of messed up and brought a lot of fungus. You seen my video I made yesterday on my front yard. So he bringing fungus from other people's yards and putting it in here, and it's charging me $40 a week. So after, like I said, after 15 cuts, this lawnmower paid for itself. Probably say after 13 if you're including the gas and oil and everything. But like I said, hey, this thing is worth every penny. So if you want to do it right, make an investment, and buy one of these, and look in the description below. I'm about to take it in the garage and clean it up, clean everything up, and I'm gonna show you a little trick. And if you want to just move it around without just pushing it like this, use the self-propel. Just turn it on, click that, and just hit the propel. And let it go. Ooh, this thing moves fast. And like I said, if you want to purchase one of these, look in my description below. And make sure you get the self-propel. Don't get the one that's not self-propel. I think you'll be wasting your money because I tried pushing it without hitting the self-propel. And for me, I'm trying to make things a little easier on myself. And you can mow it, but if you get in high grass, you want that self-propel. So if you would like to purchase one of these, look in the description below and subscribe to my channel.